Fresh trade-in 24 835R camo tracks. Here's the wheels in the back. Fresh oil change, air filter, cabin air filter. We're gonna go take it for a spin. See how many hours and miles are on this bad boy. We got 214 hours, only 913 miles. Driving. I'll take this thing for a spin here. Thing's pretty clean. I mean, you guys still gotta clean up the floors yet, but we're gonna go test it out mechanically and make sure everything is good to go. And then she'll be up for sale. The wipers working. Got our lights on. So there's some deep snow here. Our boss our GM got stuck in the parking lot. I had to run out. He's got a little Ford Focus. Got stuck, so brought the Gator out, pulled him out. Now we're just bombing around, checking everything out. I mean, it's drifting pretty good out here, and so testing the machine out. Like I said, it's a fresh trade-in. Put a couple miles on it, or about probably a little less than a mile, and make sure everything's good. Everything sounds good. 4-wheel drive's working great. Tracks are sounding good. So yeah, if you're interested in a nice used 835R Gator, just stop by and check this one out. Like I said, it's got tracks and it's got a full set of tires back there.